check out some real stuff that I wrote, then go on myspace.com/niceman. But anyways, this is my piece. It's called She Ain't the One.
She ain't the one.
Alright.
I'm the one.
What's the one? Alright, okay, so. It's all about the yellow shines, not the green rose, cause money can't pay for it. That's some lying. So what I do is pay attention. It's not my breakdancing that makes my head spin. You are that height Common was talking about, saying if heaven had a height, you would be that tall. I just feel like a misfit that doesn't fit or is even suitable for you. I mean, you got me suffocating slowly by the sands of time, all because I'm suffering under the what if you'd like to go on a chill day with me. Not a date, at least not yet, so there is no regret. Because I want my store to be closed to your discretion. Is that all I want? No, but no question. Let's go eat some dinner, go watch a movie, chill here, chill there, gotta do this, gotta do that, so we can hit this off like a hammer or a bat over the plates, but something left to fate, because in our situation there is no skill to kill our emotions, no way to have fake devotions or promotions to holding hands. Woo! Because of you, my skies are not gray but blue, so you can be my sunshine instead of dark clouds, evaporate water crying out so there are